In this video, we are going to see about the Power BI mobile, how to use this Power BI on our Android phone, iPhone or Windows phones. I'm going to show you on this Android OS. Basically, I have opened the Play Store from Android system and I will just type Power BI here. And once we type the Power BI, you can see it is showing as a Microsoft Power BI, a business intelligence software here. It shows up. We can just install it here. We can see some of the other informations like what are the how it looks like and all these things. Just click on this install. Now this is installed and we can just open it from here. Once we have opened it, we need to give our email address, which is we have used to connect to the Power BI Pro system. So that if you have, then we can go ahead. Means we can just click on here, and I will give my email address. Once the login is successful, you can see means it is ready to set up. We have some information which is provided where we can get means how this is to be used. Now you can see there are various information, so we can just click on let's go. Now you have this notifications coming for use camera with your Power BI data. If you can, we can scan QR codes or barcodes, and we can use this as well. There are some other you can see. We have first report Power BI Pro, which is we have created in our Power BI Pro application, and then that is here showing it here. There are some project templates, test dashboard. It's a similar structure which is having here. You can see the other options like home, favorites, then apps, workspaces. If you can click on these workspaces as well, you can see the similar structure where it is the reports and then PBX file dashboard and these two dashboards. You can see all reports are there. Then these are the dashboards which we can. The thing is we cannot work with the data sets in Power BI mobile. However, we can use reports and dashboards from here. We do have other options. If you can click on this, shared with me and explore our notification, these are the options available here. We do have these apps as well, where whatever the apps we are publishing that will appear here. The favorite things which are available here, and in the home screen we do have all these things. So if you can or try to open this any of the report, let's try to open it and just click on it. You can see options available here. So this is the way it shows up here, and it is also showing up rotate your device to view the reported landscape if you just wanted to show it. So I'm just trying to rotate it. If you do this, you can see how it is looking like this, and you can see in more detail view. We can share this report from here, social media platforms from here. Here we can we can share that as well. You can click on actually on this charts as well, and you can see how it is interacting with each other. You can see means from if you click on any of the sections here, you can see this chart is changing. So this is how it works. It is showing having some activities as well when this report was refreshed. So there are the things which shows up here as well. There is one more option of connecting to server. If you click on that, means we need to give the server address and then its details so that we can connect to the server. So these are the things which are showing up here. If you go to the workspaces again, means you can see this is options available which is here, where in my workspaces we can see this. Let's try to open one of the dashboard here, and you can have this information which is available here. And now if you can just click on this, there are some options which are available here. If you can just open a report, we can click on that means, and we can go in more detail as well on this. So for this we can see this how it looks like. Now when this reports are open, there is an option which is available here. One if you just click on this, you can see expand to focus mode. This will happen means if you just click on this, it will just be a focused one. And then other options which are available which show sorting, comments, then filters as well, which is important one. We can click on these filters. We can see all the filters which are available here, which is we can specify. Suppose we just wanted to see some category for something. We just we wanted to see some senior people. Then just we can click on this and we can see this filter is applied automatically here. Now you can see this filter is available here. and you can see this one category on the in this. So if you wanted to change it as well, we can change it and we can go back to filters. So there are what are the filters which are available here. We can do that. We can just click on this. We can just see this particular section as well, and it is highlighted here as well. There is one more option which is available here, which is invite. And when what happens means whenever we click on this, we can give some other people's email address and we can collaborate with each other. But for this, we need a Power BI Pro option. We don't have this option available in the trial version. So that's what I wanted to show in this show you in this video. This is basically, if you know Power BI Pro, how to use it, you can easily use Power BI Mobile, because that is something which is having a similar structure in Power BI Mobile as well. And basically, when we are traveling or we are outside somewhere and we just wanted to see the data or the dashboards on the go, then this Power BI mobile is very useful and you can get it installed and then we can use it from our phones only. So, and if you wanted to share it with others as well, we can do that as well. So I hope this is helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, do let me know in comment section. And if you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well. Thank you for watching.